Hello. I decided to start a series of kinetic sculptures to build up my portfolio. So this is the first one. I had originally designed this movement back in grad school. It was a part of my dragonfly design, which I didn't really end up using. But I decided to bring it back as a starting point just to get the ball rolling now. This sculpture uses a mechanism called the Scotch yoke. I'm also just warming up my old Ender 3 3D printer. This next clip shows a bit of my process building my first marble machine. The goal here was to see if I could design everything in Rhino. Normally, I prefer Fusion 360, but that one's on a subscription plan, so for now I'm working with what I got. This is just a spiral elevator build. I'm still figuring out the camera angles, video quality, sound, all of it. So this isn't just a work in progress for my sculptures. It's also a learning process for my media setup.
Why is that? Why is there supports there? Oh, damn it. That's why it's supported.
Here's the finished marble machine. I ended up needing to add a few extra supports by hand. I just used a soldering iron to melt more filament and reinforce some walls. Now here it is running. This one is a miniature version of my sculpture called Trap. It represents a trapped firefly in a bottle. What makes this piece special is the slip joint. It transfers power through contact points instead of wires. That's because if you used wires, the spinning motion would eventually twist it up like a spool unless it goes back and forth from clockwise to counterclockwise. It would eventually break or disconnect the wire over time. This last piece is the fourth and final sculpture in this series. I was studying thread screws. You can see the threads work to hold the top and bottom sections together. Also take a look at the gears. I did break one of the screw heads off. The fit was too tight. But the end result, the gears rotate freely. Here's the power unit. That's the wrap up of this first series.